Eldorado time here at Unique Specialty and Classics. This particular one, 2000 Cadillac Eldorado ETC. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirmed miles as actual, just a little over 62,000 on this one is all. Black and black. Take a look at the front fascia, grille, headlights. Of course, 4.6 liter V8 underneath the hood. That's paired up with an automatic transmission with overdrive. Power steering, power brakes, AC. AC blows cold. As we take a look at the condition of the paint and the hood, windshield. Now, it's black. There's a few spots where there's a touch up here or there you're going to find, but as you can see, nice shine. Good luster to the paint. Pretty Cadillac. Call us, 507-386-1726 if you have any questions on this car. If you want to check out the still pictures, you'll be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description if you're seeing it on YouTube. It's going to take you right to our website. As you can see, riding on the correct chrome wheels, Firestone radial tires. Let's take a look down this passenger side. Car is nice and straight. I haven't really noticed any major nicks, dings, or scratches in it. I did roll the windows down for the video so you'd be able to see the interior a little bit here too. And we'll get around to the driver's side and take a little closer look. But stock interior, of course I said earlier, black on black, does have a sunroof. That would be factory. Windows are tinted, as you can see this rear one is also. In the still pictures you'll be able to see they're pretty dark. Know your local and state laws as far as the percentage of darkness your window tints can have on your vehicle. So just want to give you the heads up on that. Check out the still pictures. Take a look at the rear window. You can see what I'm talking about. Another thing to remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Technicians, when they looked at the car, they did note that it does have newer front brakes, sway bar links, tie rod ends. Some recent service work done to this car. As we take a look down the driver's side, touch-up spot here. It's kind of what most of the things are. There might be a little touch-up here or there. Again, haven't noticed any, major nicks, dings, or scratches. But it is black, so a few things will stand out on it, as expected. All right, of course, your standard features that you're going to get on a 2000 Eldorado from power window, power locks, power mirrors. What else? Memory seating. Of course, power seating. These are very comfortable cars to ride in and go down the road in. Ride out extremely nice. Steering wheel controls also, as you can see. Tilt and cruise. Let's go ahead and fire this up. There's exact miles, 62,747. It does come with both key fobs. We'll have both key fobs, 2 sets of keys. Steering wheel controls on this side and this side as well. None are broken off. Also, if you notice, there's no warning indicator lights, anything like that on. No check engine light, service engine soon. AM, FM cassette with CD player. Electronic climate control. Dash looks good. I mentioned the power sunroof earlier. We'll slip around to the back so you can hear it run. Pop the hood here for a second. Sounds good. Actually nice and quiet. Nothing out of the ordinary there. And let me see, I think I can get this one one-handed here. The hood struts are working. Idea of the hood liner. And there it is. 4.6 liter horsepower V8. Once again, power steering, power brakes, AC's well and cold. Clean Carfax, actual miles, no accidents indicated. 2000 Cadillac Eldorado ETC. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 2000 Cadillac Eldorado, black on black with a little bit of wood grain in the dash. Nice looking car. The odometer showing 62,756 miles currently. All our gauges are working. Nice acceleration in this car. This is an automatic on the center console. Factory stereo. Sounds good. Smooth riding Cadillac. Of course, this is a two-door. I would say a little sporty for a Cadillac. Very nice. Leather bucket seats. Now that we're straight, if I let go of the wheel, this car stays nice and straight. Doesn't pull to either side. We have a moonroof over our head. Brakes are working well. This car corners nicely. Does not lean very much. Transmission kicks down well when you push that throttle pedal down. If you see the lights flickering on the dash, that's just our camera's frame rate. That's not the car. Everything looks good in the car. Smooth riding Cadillac. Take a look at all the pictures and learn more about this at uniqueclassiccars.com.